The financial support provided by AI4EU has enabled us to further improve our solutions for the manufacturing sector. More specifically, it allowed us to develop a new module for our Clever platform focused on Industry 4.0. Gradient is a research and technology organization focused on connectivity, intelligence, and security technologies to help SMEs and big corporations boosting technology uptake and business growth. With over 10 years of experience in technology incubation, Gradiant has a footprint in 30 countries and over 300 customers.
The AI4EU Experiments platform provides a good collection of algorithms and knowledge that can be exploited in our projects. We expect to reuse some of these services and keep improving them in future projects and also proposals.